Now, acupuncture point for pregnancy or an acupressure point for pregnancy, I'd be very reluctant to just start using acupressure points during your pregnancy because they're very powerful and you don't want to kind of press the wrong one. So I do have a nice, easy, safe one for you, and it helps with prolapse. It helps draw everything in and hold everything nice and solid. So put your 2 thumbs on top of your ears, and where your middle fingers meet, it's called 6 Yang's crossings, or your by-way point. Massage, just rub into there, and as you do that, connect down with the perineum and that whole kind of pelvic floor, and feel it being raised and pulled up. Because we all need a bit of that, no matter whether we're pregnant or not. Just kind of holding and pulling up. This also is great if you've got kind of brain fog or that kind of... And remember, with pregnancy, try to stay off the sugars because that's really not going to help. Sugars actually weaken the ligaments and weaken the muscles, and everything kind of falls down. So there's a point to keep everything up and stay away from the sugars. All right.